Yeah, we barely get out of bed in that time.
Yeah, not this morning.
Not
Exactly.
this morning. It's extra hard on mornings like this.
Exactly. Maybe snooze the alarm. Maybe if you can, go to work a little later. Just do everything later today. It's just that cold outside. Weather headlines. We have a nice view from our downtown Skycam. Seeing a little bit of sun as we go throughout the morning is what you can expect. Extreme cold still lingers throughout the rest of this week. Below zero wind chills. We're not going to get above zero until later on, mainly Friday. A possibility Thursday afternoon, but not very long. But a big warm up for the weekend. Start making those plans now because we are going to be having a little bit of cabin fever as we get to the rest of this week. We're not getting outside with these types of wind chills. 20 to 30 degrees below zero here in central Iowa through the rest of the morning. This afternoon, mid-teens is going to be the warmest. It's below zero as we talk about wind chills for later on today. So cloud cover over the southern portion of the state. Farther to the north, a little more clear. We are going to see more clouds build in. We'll call it partly sunny for today, but down to the south, the massive winter storm going on, stretching from central Kansas all the way through Missouri, going through practically the entire state of Kentucky, and then off farther to the east. So a lot of slick travel that direction. And as far as the snowfall totals we've seen, we haven't gotten very much. If you have any, send them our way. Weather at KCCI.com. Red Oak around 4 inches, Lorimer around 2.5, New Virginia 2 inches. Just trace amounts across the metro. Didn't really make it that far north. But as far as hour by hour for the rest of the day today, clouds holding on into southern and central Iowa, but farther north you can see more clearer conditions. That's what we can expect throughout the day. That'll be the trend. And then for tonight, clouds do move in. That'll be a blanket. We're not going to drop as low as we possibly could because of the cloud cover. Then that'll get eaten away as we go into Wednesday afternoon. We should see some sun build back in, and then we'll be looking at clearer skies for the rest of the week. It's still going to be cold sunshine, however, Thursday and Friday. Future wind chills, tracking these through the rest of today, not going to be climbing very much. For the afternoon, teens to right near 20-degree wind chills, colder farther to the north, and then we'll be pretty much seeing them return as we go into overnight tonight. Waking up tomorrow morning from 15 to 25 degrees below zero wind chills, what you can expect. Not as extreme for Wednesday morning, so there is slight improvement, but then we kind of get nudged in the wrong direction as we get into Wednesday night and Thursday morning, waking back up to around that 20 to 30 degrees below zero. However, it shouldn't be as extreme as what we have this morning. It means this is going to be the coldest morning of the cold snap, but still, obviously, it's not going to be anything enjoyable as we go throughout Thursday morning. Here's some good news, nudged in the right direction yet again. We're talking about right near 0 degrees, even could see some wind chills in positive territory. Again, that'll be Thursday. Better chance comes on Friday with highs back into the teens. Still weather impact days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday morning. Then we get out of it and we're on to some greener pastures for Saturday and Sunday. Mostly sunny with highs 30s, 40s. And yes, next week highs will be 50 degrees for Monday.